In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your payment processing connected and ready to use inside your GoHighLevel account. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want to accept payments. From there, head over to your Launchpad. The Launchpad is the main starting area inside GoHighLevel, where you'll typically see a collection of quick links and setup options for your account. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Payments. This is where GoHighLevel keeps everything related to invoices, products, and payment integrations. Go ahead and click on Payments. If you don't see it right away, it may be in the left-hand navigation panel or as one of the tiles or cards in the main dashboard area, depending on your layout. Inside the Payments section, you'll see a few tabs or menu options. Find and click on Integrations. This is the area where you connect external payment providers, like Stripe, so GoHighLevel can process charges on your behalf. On the Integrations page, look for Stripe in the list of available payment gateways. Next to Stripe, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click on Connect next to Stripe. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to link your account with Stripe so you can start taking card payments through your funnels, forms, and invoices. After you click Connect, you'll be taken to a screen with a button that says Connect with Stripe. Go ahead and click Connect with Stripe. This will redirect you to Stripe's secure authorization page. You're now leaving GoHighLevel for a moment so Stripe can verify your account and permissions. On the Stripe page, you'll see a field for an email address. Click into the email address field and type in the email that's associated with your existing Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, make sure you use the exact email you used when you signed up, so Stripe can recognize and connect the right account. Then follow the on-screen prompts from Stripe to sign in and authorize the connection. Once you complete that process, Stripe will send you back to GoHighLevel and your integration will be active. From here, you can start accepting payments through your GoHighLevel workflows.